Back at it again with the Floki updates, and I am of course the most open-minded investor slash NFT artist on YouTube with a diverse appetite for risky asset classes ranging between shopping centers and shitcoins, but not government bonds, creating contact-led, family-friendly, quickly accepting capital, taking from specialized tutorials and guidelines to harness the generational wealth transfer found in crypto trends. And last, as a believer of Jesus Christ and a fan of Gary and an extremely well-educated and multilingual Korean opera with hair naturally curlier than the average Asian male and highly coveted by many moms and daughters, also known as Hando Kim. And without further ado, let's jump right into the video for today. We're gonna give you the latest updates on Floki. I know a lot of you guys are losing your shit because the price is dipped, but that's okay. It just gives us a better opportunity to get in. That's how investing works. That's how spot investing works, guys. So that's how I see it. Of course, you can disagree with me, but you know, the fundamentals are stacking up. So Floki continues our 2022 Twitter trending streak, guys. Floki is trending under technology is really high. Like it's just crazy. Okay, so that does really well. Floki Inu becomes top 10 tokens purchased by BSC Wales, guys. People are scooping this up like there is no tomorrow. Justin, welcome Floki back to the top 10 purchase tokens by 1,000 biggest BSC wallets. Floki price of 12.97%. Yes, it did actually dip way below that as well. But it's good to see that the whales are actually buying into the currency. It means that, you know, the smart money is seeing that this is actually kind of the floor for Floki, which is really, really encouraging to see. That being the case, I'm going to focus today's video on basically the price action and the charting. So basically the chart is sitting at a very, very oversold region. This kind of charts are really, really, really good to invest into it because instead of investing like here, you guys are sort of watching my videos at these levels here. These are fantastic regions to actually dollar cost average into. You know, right now with the fear and greed index sitting right on the extreme fear, we can see that once Bitcoin recovers, you know, into a better situation, then we're going to see that Floki is going to basically exploit all this momentum it has been building in the past, right? We can see that it's breaking into these very uncomfortable, right? These support zones. And that's a really, really good thing because previous to this graph, right? You know, this section here, before this happened, which made a lot of people happy. And that's what brought a lot of attention to Floki in the first place. The same thing was happening. It did this and then it did this, right? That's what you're looking for. In financial investment, this is the area that you're looking for. And that would have looked like this bloody high, but as you can see, that got cleared completely out of that as well. So if you're looking for these spikes and you're entering into these regions here, that's a very, very dangerous way to trade cryptocurrency, especially in this volatility that we're suffering right now. So are these good positions to get into, and are there short-term profits that you can take based on their dips into it? So just looking at the RSI on the daily chart, once it does dip below that 30 mark, these are still very good regions to get into. There are still minuscule profits to be made as well, but these will be the regions that I'll start to consider dollar cost averaging in because guys, face it, we're actually from the nearest all-time high to where we are right now. That's almost an 80% correction, guys. I find these zones extremely comfortable to dollar cost average into, especially for a coin like Floki that has such strong fundamentals with massive marketing initiatives and endeavors coming in. Today is just a short update, guys. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you haven't done so, make sure to like, share, subscribe, ring that notification bell, and I will see you in the next video, hopefully when the market is a lot more bullish than when we are right now. But no need to fear. This is what they say, buy when there's blood on the streets, because that's when the whales eating everything up, right? So we're seeing that happening. Just keep going. Make sure you do your own research, of course. Don't just blindly follow me. And I will see you in the next video, only if you follow all of my social channels, okay? Make sure to like, share, subscribe, ring the notification bell, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace. I think I've said that about 1 million times. Peace.